Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Mohammed Kamran. Today, we'll learn how to collect student emails from Google Classroom. 1. Prepare your equipment. First, make sure you're using a laptop or desktop computer, as using a tablet or mobile device can complicate this process. A computer allows you to access all the necessary features easily. 2. Open Google Chrome and log in. Begin by opening Google Chrome, then sign in to your Gmail account. Ensure you're using the account associated with your Google Classroom to avoid any issues accessing the class. 3. Access Google Classroom and verify student enrollment. Open your Google Classroom and go to the class where you need the students' emails. Check that all students are enrolled by reviewing the list. Some students may have missed the invite, so verify for any pending invites. If a student hasn't joined, you may want to remind them or remove them to maintain an accurate list of active students. 4. Collect email addresses. Under the Students tab, select the checkbox next to each student's name to highlight them all. Next, go to the Actions drop-down menu, click on it, and choose the Email option. A new email window will open with all the students' emails in the To field. 5. Copy emails to a document. In this email window, click in the To field and press Ctrl-A to select all the addresses. Copy them, Ctrl-C, then paste them into a document such as MS Word or Notepad. Add your own email and your coordinator's email to the list so everyone stays in the loop. Make sure to save the document securely as it contains student information. 6. Verify and save. Double-check your document to ensure all addresses were copied correctly. If needed, rewatch this section of the video for any missed steps. Now, with all the emails saved, you're ready to move on to step 2. Check the video description for the next link or continue watching if you're following a playlist.